Hello, it's Chris, Derek, and Casey's actually here helping us. We're working on the '69 Fury. As you can see, carpet.
Chris vacuumed.
Yeah, vacuumed everything. All the seat belts are out. Door sills are off. So we're just trying to fit new carpet. It actually fits very nice. We left the seatbelt bolts in, so you could. There's a tip that everyone knows, so you might as well say it again. And you just make an X with a knife and
push it.
Carpet's done. So
yeah, heck, I'm very happy. This is nice molded carpet. Very nice.
Got it blue. This is I think this is the original color. There was two different blues. A dark blue and then this sort of a metallic-y looking blue, so
close enough. Very close. Oh yeah, we've got to kind of tuck it under here a bit.
Yeah, and probably trim this a little bit.
Okay.
But yeah, it's the usual carpet from the only carpet place in business, so they fit with a little bit of trimming. And
okay.
so I'll go grab the front part and start fitting.
You have to put the front one in, or you don't cut this one yet, or?
No, I'll put the front in, then we'll sort of wiggle them around. And
all right, go get your front.
We already laid it in the sun.
Yeah.
And that's what you got to do.
Casey's listening. I can't believe this.
Yeah.
He's learning. When are you gonna build a car?
Never.
Okay.
Well, probably never.
Nah. At least you're honest.
Alright. Bring in the car.
Oh, got underlaying. That's underlaying.
So we got.
Oh my.
How far do you?
Far as you can shove it. If you can feed it underneath there.
Push it up as far as you can go.
My finger got into.
That's.
Yeah, I know Chris got some goop on his hand.
Yeah, we're sealing the floor a bit. And
there's
water and
cleaner over there on a rag.
Okay.
There you go. Man, that's looking nice.
Well, except for this.
Yeah, we got to put it underneath the covers, which will be a bit of a pain. Shame you got to put it under here. Yeah, we'll have to do some trimming, but that's gonna go pretty good. Looks nice. Brings the value of the car up. No longer a junk mobile.
Yep. Actually, that should be pretty close to where it is, because there's the pad.
I think Casey's side just got to go up a little bit.
Okay.
I think, just upwards. But you're pretty damn close where we are.
This is like.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna put this down and give them a hand. Alright.
Where do we put the screw?
Oh, put it right there. Just remember where you put it.
Yeah,
You got one more.
The clips are in here. You gotta take this off. And then unscrew these. There's a spider. Dead one. Oh, that's a wrong.
The little impacky you got over there.
Oh, that's.
You're doing good, Casey. pull the whole plastic right off. Yeah, that's great. No, that piece stays down. That piece stays up.
Now we gotta cut a. See, it only goes. You gotta press it in and it clicks.
Yeah.
You gotta. There. You gotta. You can't. Put it. You have to go all the way in, and or else it won't work. So now we gotta cut a.
Yeah, we gotta cut a hole in the carpet somewhere. I don't know where Chris did.
Yeah.
What did Chris do?
Peeled back the carpet, or basically,
Okay.
and peeled it back just enough, and just go from the back, get the right angle.
Here. Okay.
What's like?
Did you?
Just peel it back, yeah, and then push it against the. You have to take that off. That whole thing has to come off.
Oh.
Oh no, no, you're right. Yeah, yeah. That those two pieces have to come off.
Oh, okay. We gotta get that off. Okay.
Yep.
Oh, and then we can find
Then
ourselves.
I
and
just
put a shirt.
yeah, put the carpet against it, peeled it back a little bit, got the correct angle, and just made a.
So we
small
screwed
enough
up by
slit.
not. We didn't have to put these holes in
Nope.
here.
Yeah.
These you did,
Yeah.
but that we didn't have to. Oh well.
Yep.
We learned.
I think it's like right here would be.
Yeah, you gotta get just the right angle.
Okay. All right. We'll give it a look.
All right, we got it all done.
Yep. A little bit of cutting and fitting, but more so with the seat belts, finding the holes and figuring out how the seat belts go again, because it's been over a year since I pulled the original carpet out. Yeah, next thing to deal with is this. And the way I'm dealing with it is I've bought some a big piece of cloth, blue cloth. It's a little bit brighter than the carpet, but close. And I'm basically gonna cut it so it fits over the bottom, and then hog rig it to the bottom, and fold it. Basically, just fold it on the sides, hog rig it again on the bottom. If you're not familiar with a hog ring, it's basically a little staple, looks like that, and you got a tool and you squeeze it and it clamps, and it basically staples the cloth onto whatever, either the springs or whatever's underneath there. Then I'll do the same with this half, that half, and then the back too. So that's another day. Because it's extremely hot out
It's
right
hot.
now.
It's like 90, 99,
Yeah, it's
99 maybe.
32 or 33 degrees Celsius, so it's
About 99.
somewhere around there. And there's humidity too, so that brings it up feeling hot. So yeah, headliner, probably I could say I'm gonna do it, but probably no. I'll probably just rip this out, and that's about it. Maybe if I feel energetic, but yeah, I don't know. It's gonna be as what it is, a beater, a little bit of a beater vehicle, not no show car. Yeah, I don't know. Clean up the seat belts a little bit, and
They're a little dirty in the back, like, and rusted.
yeah. Door panels, well, can't find. I'm never gonna find door panels for this thing. It's a long shot. I could get possibly decent ones. I'm never gonna find blue ones. I could paint some, but I think in the far future maybe try and make some. get some vinyl and then just put it over some backing material and go that way. I don't know. But yeah, the reason why I'm not going to ever do the seats is because you can't buy covers for this seat. This is a Fury 2, it doesn't have the buddy seat. You can't buy it. If it was a Fury 3 or a Sport or VIP, yes. So that would mean I would have to find a Sport Fury seat, pay for that, get it recovered, pay for that, and no. That'd be more than what I paid for the car. So I'm not spending more on seats than I paid for the car. So I've already put too much money into this car, so it's mostly going to be as is. I might fix things here and there, but as long as the seats look half-ass decent, I'm good with that.
In the back.
Yeah, I'll
It's
put a
ripping
package
up.
tray in the back and and I want to cover up all this burnt stuff, but yeah. Not doing anything more. Now I got sweat in my eyes, my eyes are stinging because it's so bloody hot out. I think I'm gonna get a drink of water. So I think we'll just sign off from here, a short little video of brand new blue carpet in the Fury. So thanks for watching, and yeah, keep watching and comment.